How to delete your YouTube channel. That's what I will show you at this how-to video. First, open your YouTube application. Then, tap at your profile at the top right part of the screen. Tap your channel. Again, tap at the right three dots at the top right part of your screen. Then tap Help and Feedback. Type delete on the search bar. Then tap delete or hide your YouTube channel. Scroll down and tap delete your channel permanently. Tap YouTube Studio. Tap on the gear icon at the bottom left right of the screen. Tap Channel. Then Advanced Settings. Scroll down and tap Remove YouTube Content. Here, add your password. Then tap I want to delete my content permanently. Then tap I want to delete my content. Then tap I want to permanently delete my content. Check the two boxes underneath it. Then tap delete my content. After this, your YouTube channel will then be deleted. If you want to see how you can upload YouTube Shorts, check the next video. Thank you for watching and see you at the next one.